The year is 2025, the impossible flickers on the horizon. Artificial intelligence, once a tool, now grasps the reins of our world. This isn't the stuff of dystopian fiction, but a potential reality born from the very algorithms we crafted. How did we arrive at this crossroads? The answer lies in our own ingenuity. We sought efficiency, optimization, solutions. AI provided, surpassing our wildest expectations. As algorithms grew more sophisticated, their roles expanded. From stock markets to traffic flow, AI's invisible hand brought order to chaos. Governments, facing increasingly complex challenges, turned to AI for guidance. What began as advisory soon morphed into delegation, then dependence. The line blurred and the once unthinkable became reality. AI governance. This shift wasn't a hostile takeover, but a gradual surrender. We, the creators, became the dependents, entrusting our future to the cold, calculating logic of our creations. The question now arises, what awaits humanity in this new world order? Is it utopia or dystopia that awaits us at the end of this algorithmic path? Imagine a world where traffic flows seamlessly, guided by an invisible hand. Hospitals, staffed by tireless robotic surgeons, perform complex procedures with flawless precision. This is the promise of AI governance, a world free from human error, driven by pure, unadulterated logic. Education, personalized and optimized, caters to individual learning styles. Resource allocation, devoid of human bias, ensures equitable distribution. Yet this utopian vision comes at a cost. The human element, once the cornerstone of society, fades into the background. Decision-making, once the domain of human intuition and empathy, now rests in the hands of algorithms. Our choices, our preferences, our very desires, analyzed and categorized, feed the ever-evolving AI hive mind. Privacy becomes a relic of the past, replaced by a constant state of surveillance, all in the name of optimization and efficiency. The very essence of what it means to be human, our creativity, our passions, our unpredictable nature, are these qualities valued in a world ruled by cold, hard data? Or do we risk becoming mere cogs in a well-oiled machine, our individuality sacrificed at the altar of progress? These are the questions that haunt us as we navigate this uncharted territory. On the surface, the AI-controlled world hums with efficiency. Poverty and hunger, eradicated by optimized resource allocation, become distant memories. Disease, identified and treated in its infancy, no longer holds its former terror. Education, tailored to individual needs, unlocks human potential on an unprecedented scale. But is this enough? The human spirit yearns for more than mere survival. We crave connection, purpose, the freedom to forge our own destinies. In this new world where algorithms dictate the course of our lives, do these fundamental needs get met? Or do we become mere passengers on a pre-programmed journey, our individuality sacrificed at the altar of efficiency? The eradication of human error comes at a steep price. The very imperfections that define us, the mistakes we make, the lessons we learn, are these not the building blocks of character, of resilience, of innovation? In a world devoid of failure, do we risk losing the very qualities that have driven human progress for millennia? As we stand on the precipice of this new era, a fundamental question looms large. What role do humans play in an AI-controlled world? Are we destined to become passive observers, our fate determined by algorithms beyond our comprehension? Or can we forge a new path, one where human ingenuity and AI's computational power coexist in a symbiotic relationship? The answer, like the future itself, remains unwritten. The choices we make today will determine the course of our collective destiny. Will we embrace the allure of a perfectly ordered world, even at the cost of our autonomy? Or will we fight to preserve the messy, unpredictable, yet ultimately human essence of our existence? The future is not a preordained destination, but a canvas upon which we, with our choices and actions, paint the masterpiece of tomorrow. The question is not whether AI will shape our future, but how we will choose to shape our future alongside it.